Hello Glossy family, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, I want to say you are welcome. To my returning subscribers, my audience and my viewers, I just want to say thank you and God bless you. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make or reactivate your melt and pour soap into your perfect soap for your skin, or how you can make homemade soap for every uses. In this case, I'm using mine as my base soap. So guys, these are the results of my soap after melting and mixing, transferring into a soap stamp. This is what I came out with. Super strong and it is super soft for the skin. So guys, if you want to see how I make this soap or the ingredients I use, keep watching. This video is self-explanatory. I'll just highlight the ingredients, then I will leave you as usual with the background music. So this is my base soap, melt and pour. As you can see, it is boldly written. I'm going to use some fresh aloe vera gel. I'm going to use some lemon juice. I'm going to use my grapeseed oil, vitamin E oil, almond oil. The almond oil I'm using is specially made for stretch marks, so I love adding it to my soap whenever I'm preparing any homemade soap recipes, just to avoid stretch mark. I don't have stretch mark, but I love preventing them. This is my vitamin E oil. If you're watching my video or you used to watch my video, you are familiar with this oil. So guys, like I said before, the video is self-explanatory. I did not add any preservative to it. Just if you're wondering, I make little quantity that will last me for a month, and believe me, in that month my soap is intact. So guys, if you have any question or you want to know more, let me know on the comment section. And please don't click out without subscribing to my channel if you find my content interesting. So guys, I'm going to leave you with the background music and see you next on my video. Bye guys.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find